Say hi.
Hi.
Anayah's first bike, and she's doing an awesome job.
I did that right there, and then I go here.
Right. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, you ready to pedal? Remember, you got to steer, okay? Okay, you ready?
Okay.
Put your feet on properly. Okay, pedal.
I can't do it.
You can do it. You were just doing it. Okay, there you go. There you go. Good job. Good job, baby.
And this is my first bike.
First bike. Good job. There you go. Steer. There you go. Whoa. Whoa. Good job.
This was big, so bad.
Good job. Whoa. 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 Good job.
That's my bed.
High five. You did so good.
Don't get cheese for the car.
You did so good. Look at you and your bike. You did so good, baby. That's your brake. You want to turn around?
Yeah.
Turn around.
Go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I want to touch myself.
Okay. Can you pedal? Look at you. Pedal. Good job, baby. Good job.
So fast.
Good job. You're doing so good. You're doing so good.